6 tips on how I will detail clean tires, rims and wheels. Dirty rims and wheels can take the joy out of any ride. Thankfully, Dawn Registered cleans everything from breakdown to breakdown messes. So take a quick pit stop to clean your brake dust and make those tire rims and wheels shine like new. 1. Play it cool. Before we start cleaning, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the rims are cool to the touch. 2. Hose them down. Hose down any large pieces of grit or dirt on the wheels and rims. This will save you some time scrubbing later. 3. High performance cleaning. To create your cleaning solution, fill up a gallon bucket of hot water and add 1 teaspoon of a concentrated dish liquid like Dawn. 4. Start your scrubbing. Use a rag or sponge to clean the outside edge of the rim. Scrub until all the grease has been removed from the metal surface. Next, clean the interior of the rim. Try using an old toothbrush to reach those tough-to-reach spots. 5. Rinse down. Rinse out the wheel wells starting from the top to the bottom. This ensures that all the soap is removed. Excess residue may lead to etching on certain materials. 6. Dry time. Immediately dry with a soft, clean towel. Now hit the road with your clean rims and wheels. Call I Will Detail at 469-337-3213 for a free quote.